Welcome to Ottari's Commerce and Finance Coaching. Good morning students. Today we start our new lesson, that is HRM. So let's see what is mean by HRM. That is Human Resources Management. So what mean by human resources management? Generally, human resources management is consist with leadership, recruiting, performance, training, research, employee, skill, potential and leadership also. So HRM is generally a very important aspect of every management and every company, because it's one kind of method of developing human resources and performance appraisal. So every organization are made up of people and functions. So the material resources such like money and material are also utilized through the people for the different purpose. So people is the center of every organization, and the HRM deal with human resources, that is a manpower employed in our organization. So generally the HRM is a very old term of personal management, which is today shown in HRM, that is a human resources management. So human resources are the most productive and most versatile concepts. So employee have a capacity to feel, think and even to react. So it's very much important to care about the man behind the machine, because it is more important as he is a human being who act, feel and even think. So HRM is like personal management. Here is the meaning of HRM. Generally HRM is the part of management process. As I mentioned before, it deal with the people. So every organization or every enterprises must have a resourcefulness in terms of total knowledge, skill, creative ability, talent, aptitudes and potentiality for effective control contributions. Here I mentioned two definitions of HRM. So the first one is HRM is concerned with the people dominations in management, and it is basically a method of developing potentiality of employees so that they feel maximum satisfaction of their work and give their best efforts to the organization. Here is the functions of HRM. So in this diagram there are different kinds of function are shown. The first one is a union labor relationship, compensation and benefits, employee assistance, organizational development, training and development, selection and staffing, design of the organizational job. Human resources planning is the most important part of our HRM, and personal and research and information system. So these are the functions of our HRM, where the procurement of manpower, that means acquiring the manpower required by an organization from time to time. So right man for the right job is the concept or principle of this selection for human resources acquisition. Then development of manpower. So development of manpower is generally mean a planning and execution of the training program for all categories, where is the employee in order to develop their new skill and their qualities according to require their job. Generally the performance management involve performance planning and performance appraisal too, because it is a counseling, it is a performance counseling which is used for various purpose. Even every manpower is interested in wage, that is the salary payment, while organization is interested in high profit, consumer loyalty and market reputation. So HRM has to reconcile the interest of individual member as well as our organization. Even employees are offer various welfare facility from organization like medical, educational, recreation, housing, transport, etc. So these facilities are provided by our organization to their employee for their welfare. So it is concerned as a personal management. Generally there are so many miscellaneous HRM functions like transfer, even evaluation, career planning, development, training, discipline, administrating. So these are the different kinds of functions which is played by our HRM for their employee. Now there is the objectives of HRM. So here we seen that the objective of HRM, the first one is organizational goal, work culture, team integrations, then training development, employee motivations, workforce empowerment, and um, retention, and even data completion. So these are the 8 objective of HRM. Generally it is consist with the members of an organization also utilize available human resources that fully effective, means it is to attain maximum individual development. Even sometime it mold effectively the human resources. So it helps to establish a desirable working relationship between employer and employee, even different groups of employee. So it will help, this objective help to ensure satisfaction to the worker so that they are freely ready to work. It help to improve the service rendered by the enterprises to their society through the better employee moral, and which lead to more effective individual group performance also. So to maintain high moral and good relationship within the organization for the benefit of employer and employees. So these are the objective of employee, which is generally objective of HRM, which is generally created for the employee to help organization to achieve their goals by providing well trained, efficient, and properly motivated employee. I hope students you understand the concept of HRM, their functions, their objective very well. Due to limited time period, I explain it much less, but I hope you understand the concept of